Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Dever. So today's video we're going to be focusing on risk management, and under that we shall be talking about the portfolio management. Okay, how to actually diversify. Now I'm going to be walking you through on the few things you need to understand as a beginner or as a pro trader whenever you want to invest in crypto. First of all, this is my chart. Okay, today we are not going to be doing too much of chart trading. We already done that in the previous videos. Okay, now today's video is going to be just what you have to understand when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. Now, first of all, you have to understand the coin you are buying, and after understanding the coin you are buying, you also have to understand the fact that it is important for you to diversify your portfolio. So, what do I mean by diversification of your portfolio? Let me give you an instance. So, I'm going to just quickly switch to sports. Right now, we have multiple thousands of cryptocurrency on multiple exchanges. Alright, now if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, let's say you have a couple of dollars to invest, it's not always advisable for you to take all your coins into one place. I'm going to show you an example why it is not good. Now, there was a coin I wanted to buy previously. There's this coin that's called I invested in a coin called, that should be a gold, and I invested in Bera. I also invested in just a couple of them. Alright, now the funny thing happened that each of them didn't pump at the same time. They pumped differently. Some even went down to dump. Okay, now you discover that if I had put all my eggs in one basket, yeah, of course I can be lucky to have it pump if I invest it in the one that is going to pump. But the question is, how do you actually know which one is going to pump? So because what we do here now is analysis, we analyze coins and we give prediction about coins. It's always advisable for you to make sure that you play it safe. Okay, and how do you best play it safe? For example, if you want to invest in a coin, please first of all you have to, after understanding the basics about the coin you're investing, it's also important for you to make sure that you check some information about the coin. So let's say I want to invest in SYN. This SYN was one coin that actually performed very well sometime last month. Okay, let me also say that I want to invest. Let me also open another one. Let me say I also want to invest in Bera so that you understand what I mean in Bera. Alright, so let me open Bera. So this is Bera, and then lastly I'm going to open the recent one right now, which is just three of them. Let me just open TUT. Alright, okay, now these are the three coins I want to use as an example for you to understand why it is important for you to always make sure you diversify your portfolios. Now these coins, they pumped at different rates. Yeah, they pumped at different rates and they dumped at different rates. Alright, and I'm going to show you why it is important, because whenever you are buying these coins, you do not know which one is going to pump first. When you look at this TUT, first of all, let me use TUT as an example. TUT has actually pumped so hard. The same time I bought TUT, I also bought Bera, I also bought, this is SYN. The same time I bought SYN, I also bought Bera, and then I also bought just a couple of other cryptocurrencies. But do you know that this SYN actually pumped? It pumped more than 1000% just within 2 weeks, while Bera dumped. Bera dumped opposite. Bera dumped almost 5x within a month. Then TUT actually also dumped, though currently it's picking up. Now look at it now. How it works is this. So let's assume that I put all my money in SYN. Of course I'm going to make a lot, right? But it's not a good practice because I don't really know which one is going to pump first, and the chances are high that you might want to go for Bera. And if you had gone for Bera, you discover that all your money will be seized. All your money will be stuck inside Bera. Alright. Now also, if you had gone for TUT, you'll also discover that your money will also dump. So it's important for you to diversify so that when each one is pumping, for instance now, after SYM pumped, this coin pumped all the way from 0.1 to around 0.6, from 0.04 to 0.6. okay, and I was able to sell it at 0.5. So from 0.04 to 0.5, that was a lot of profit. And when I sold it, that was when Bera was dumping. I came back immediately and bought some Bera. Now Bera is still dumping. okay. But nevertheless, I diversified too into TUT, and my TUT also, I made some cool money from TUT, okay. And as you can see here now, TUT pumped sometime in the past from here to this point, and I was able to sell it around this point. So when I sold my TUT, I came back again and I bought some bearer because it has dumped further. So you discover that when you're able to diversify, you will keep making profit in crypto. That's why it's always good to diversify. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and don't forget that this video is actually part day 24 of my 30-day journey in becoming a pro trader. I've done videos on technical analysis, on trading, on everything you need to understand. So make sure you check out the screen right now, or you can also check out the description. You're going to see the video, the links to the full trading series that I've made for you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.